Previously, we've spoken about Tari. This is basically a mining app where you could just be chilling on the beach, but your processing power on your computer that is currently not being used could be used to actually mine the Tari token. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today, because since our last video, there are tons of updates and why this could actually be a great first mover advantage. This is not financial advice, but let's dive in to the world of Tari. So this is Tari, and this basically allows you to turn your computer into a money-making machine, where normally, yes, it would just be wasting its power. This is where you can actually dedicate some of that power to actually mining in the Tari universe. And since our last video here, guys, they've basically got a bunch of updates that I should definitely inform you guys on. So right now, the Tari blockchain is officially fully launched and operational. So this is great because these guys are actually already delivering on their promises from where they've just had the mining available previously. They actually have everything up and running already. And previously, the mining app was only available to certain users. Now it's available for everyone. So if you haven't got this yet, definitely head to the description and download the Tari Universe app, because this is going to be something I consider to be massive. And the earlier you get in on something like this, the more ROI you can earn. And again, guys, this is completely passive, just working in the background on your computer. This is basically what it looks like on the computer here, guys. You can see, yes, you will just have the app mining away and some very cool animations to go with that. But as you can see on the left-hand side, you have the GPU utilization. You can change your will here, super customizational. And then, yes, you've got a bunch of stuff talking about your earnings. And then you can see the mode here talking about the eco mode we are in, but we can turn that up if we want. Then we can also pause mining if we got some heavy intensive tasks, but I would just advise leaving this on, setting it to a low setting, and then mining that crypto passively for when this thing really does gain a lot more traction. Now, Tari as a token itself is actually listed on a centralized exchange right now. Users can now trade or sell the tokens they earn through the mining. This is a major milestone and proof that Tari is gaining that mainstream traction. They actually have tens of thousands of miners joined in the past week, and you can see 700,000 people plus like you love Tari. So that's fantastic and really goes to show the explosive growth that this project is getting. Now, when we're talking about PR for this project, these guys are being covered absolutely everywhere right now, so definitely consider getting involved in this mining craze. We can see here TU News is basically saying former Monero developers present Tari blockchain. So former Monero developers here, guys, which is a massive privacy blockchain basically behind the Tari blockchain here, according to this article. So that could be something that does end up getting a lot more traction and momentum for the project as a whole. Now we can see here on Blockchain Reporter, Tari and the Future of Accessible Crypto Mining, a conversation with Naveen Jain. So obviously this is fantastic, and they're actually interviewing some relevant people to do with this project, in which, yes, they do have a bunch of YouTube videos to back this up as well. But the point here being is, yes, this is actually being talked about. It is viral right now. And if you're not involved yet, I would definitely consider having this on your radar, because it's super easy to download, literally a couple clicks here. You download this to your system and have it running, set it up in the background, and then earn those Tari gems for this upcoming airdrop. So that is the Tari airdrop and Tari token, guys. This is definitely one of the biggest things I see coming out of 2025. So definitely check this one out. You can mine very, very easily on your PC and generate that passive Tari income. Again, this is tradable on exchanges. It is being talked about in the PR, and it is something that should probably be on your radar for the rest of this year. But that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Check this one out in the description. I will see you in the next one.